other questions here, guys? If we pop everything, use your buttons, we should be able to phase 1 this guy. We've got plenty of damage. We've shown it already tonight on a couple of the other bosses. Let's burn this guy. Any other
Watch your
questions?
threat. Watch your threat.
Yeah, watch your threat.
Give me a
Biggest
sec
thing.
to get it, please.
Check all your consumes. If you're missing anything, pop it now.
Hey, Quinn, do you have?
Yeah, if we need to reset it, guys, all you do is just jump off the platform, and as soon as you come past this here and down, you will reset. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
It is a resettable boss, so don't panic. Just run off. We'll be good. On you, brother. Get him up there.
Let me get aggro if you can.
Give him some time.
I guess either of us, yeah.
Do we get to just pump?
Yep.
Yeah, just make sure you're
Taz has a good lead.
number 3 or below.
Sheep.
Get a sheep.
Hey, cheat. Yep.
Hold
Wreck.
your second. Hold your second. Pump. Taz is back up.
Someone's about to get mind controlled here. Sheep
Me.
Quinn.
Sheep Quinn. Thank
It
you.
broke.
Free
Sheep Quinn is in.
free sheep.
Sheep Quinn.
Send
Keep
CDs,
sheeping
guys.
them.
Send CDs.
Who kept
It's the
breaking
fire
on me?
totems. Fire totems.
Big boy, your second on threat. Quinn's back
It's about
on
to go down
second.
again. Get ready for
Pump.
sheep.
Quinn, pump.
Go get
Sheep Taz. Sheep Taz.
sheep. Sheep Taz.
We know. He keeps getting broken.
Sorry.
By the fire
Alright, kill the sun.
Yep.
Sun now.
Kill moon.
Everyone get poisoned.
Everyone get in the
Everyone
poison.
in here.
Yes, now. Get in.
Get in here.
Hang in or
Taz.
go back.
Taz is
Power.
mind control.
Everybody. Sheep him.
Alright, perfect.
Oh, that. Who
Now
was
he's
that?
done.
We need to get rid of that totem. Get rid of that searing totem.
Am I taking it back? Taking it
Yeah,
back?
yeah.
It's okay. We're good.
Taz,
Try
bring
to
him
pull
back.
a bit. Try to pull back a bit.
Taz, sheep.
Win established threat, guys. Spliford second right now. Wins up.
I behind you, man. Someone keeps breaking it.
Sanity going down right now.
Pump him, guys. Pump him.
Taz again.
Quinn's got it. Pump, pump, pump. Finish this guy. This is it.
Sanity again.
Kill him.
Alright.
Let's go.
Oh shit!
Blood
The blood
color.
color. Let's go.
Oh my
Got
god.
one loot, guys.
Wait, what did you
Pass
get? I
on
had
loot.
the auto pass. Didn't see.
Blood collar, heart, and the necklace. So
Yes. Yes.
I just want to say, by the way, my fire totem was not waking up sheep, so I don't know what was happening there.